Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT. I've just been called by one of our customers to try and give them a run through on how the satellite navigation system works on a 2018/19 SEAT Arona and Ateca. So they wanted to do a couple of little things, so I thought I'll just do a quick video which hopefully will help a few people out there. Now, first thing they wanted to do was input a new address into the media system, into the navigation system, straight from the off. So first thing you can do on this one is, if you push this little tab here, that wakes up the grid system, and then you've got a picture of the navigation detail. Failing that, you can push the flag, which is exactly the same, and then you've got these menus that are presented with you. Now, if you put your hand near the screen, it has what's called a proximity sensor, so it wakes up the different menus. And if I push the one on the top right, which says new destination, it allows me to enter a fresh one there. So I'm just going to pick one, and I'm going to type in an address that's not too far away from us, which is a lovely part of the world. Might help if I spell it right. There you go, Salcombe in Devon. So I pop that address in right by the sea, super nice down there. So if I wanted to go there, now that I've highlighted the address, I can just push the start button. Now on here, I've set it to give me the quickest route straight from the word go. If I wanted to, I can go into the menu down here, into the settings, and then if I touch on that, it allows me to go into the route options. So if I select the route options, I do it one of two ways. I can either continually touch the screen, or using this one, I can twist it like a bit like a mouse really. I can scroll through, and when I'm happy with the selection, I literally just push it in. And then I've got there, suggest 3 alternative routes. So if I wanted to, I can make the car give me the destination, but with 3 different routes. And that will be either the most economical, the fastest, or the shortest. Now, we're going to leave it on what it was previously set at. So I just want one route. I want the fastest route there. So that will hopefully avoid some of the lanes and things like that. So let's go back to where we were. And we can see in here, in the red line, showing me where I need to turn. Using this one here, if I twist it to the right, it zooms in on the navigation map. If I bring it back, then it also zooms out. Now this particular one, if I leave now, we'll be ready for afternoon tea at 4:13, and it's 36 miles away. So that's all fine, and that is the easy way of putting in a destination on the navigation menu. You then will say, well, how do I turn it off when I get to the end? So once you put the destination in, you've arrived at where you need to go, you put your hand near the screen. Up on the top right, it says route, and then the top one there says stop guidance, and you'll notice the red line will actually go out because it's no longer trying to take you anywhere. There you go. All right, real simple, quick little video there showing you how to use your built-in navigation system. I'm going to do another one that shows you how to store some of the different destinations, different addresses, but if you found it useful, give us a like, because that's what YouTube seems to be all about nowadays. Thanks for watching. All right, take care. All the best. Bye-bye.